I'm standing inside Jimmy's garage. I pulled his car in before. That's how much water he's got. I'm going to say 4 inches according to my boots. 4 or 5 inches inside the garage. This is looking out across his driveway. Those bushes right there are on probably a 3-foot berm that goes down to his driveway. Unbelievable. This is the side of his house. This is, you can hear fire trucks, everything, all in the background. Unfreaking believable. The water is just moving like mad. He's got about over the first step, into the second step in his basement. We moved everything up as best we could this morning, and it just keeps coming in. The sump pump can only keep up with so much. Hopefully there's no more rain. Worst it's been in my 27 years that I've lived here.